etu a ka o si agbagharị kpụrụ ya na ụmụ ojii na-anụ si ọ chọrọ ka o nyuo ego ahụ, mana ego ahụ na-echi oku ya ebe a. Ego ahụ na-echi oku ebe a, and ego ahụ exposed go a lot of talent in him. He has even started acting. He has started acting because of this same money. Lord with Ndenepa, Lord as a DJ, because what he did right there in Port Harcourt with a perfect wiring. Among only electrician nwere ike imenidigu wiring the way we wire that aqua wire na here without being connected to any pole. There is no monitor there. You know that? So perfect wiring with formula to suit exactly what it is intended for. Ona choko unyomi kwe ga manya kwe ma achọ m mmecha ka ndị Nollywood act yari movie ife ego ụmụ ojii meru Mathias. Ife ego ụmụ ojii meru Mathias. Ọkwa ime ego a na ụmụ ojii a. Ọkwa ime ego a na ụmụ ojii a. Ishoku. Oshoku go. He has run out of Facebook because of this, something who derive joy in doing. Of course, he know defeat go Jesus, and also go Jesus up and easy. So, because of this money, he is willing and able to give up that victory over Jesus. Ka Jesus meriye manya wuru na ega na agwadoro ego oba. Okay for here, ona megari ogbafere from his struggle or on get away from his aspiration. He has piped down low. So Jesus just used ego and umoji away suppress ya. He ran away and chickened out of Facebook. He got that. O mekwa broadcast or Zakol 100. So oluzie ohalela mbajiako na ekwodo ofuko yewu. Halela mbajiako na ekwodo ofuko yewu. Ego na shokuye and don't know na shokuye. So people who not close to him should just call him sitting down, advise him, give up this money bit by bit, or go and get another site. Ema what you say negotiate. Go Emanano Omuive negotiate cha and apota 300, 500, 700 million, a quick a drop or if you look at 2 million or 5 million, and kana push you go back. But do it just the way you agreed with them. Eminam Bakwe Vale go John na account go pia for the king. Hello Chaki we pota. We be people like us that you are doing well. I when buy na go. I mana charity foundation na kwadoro ofuma. No chago ofuma, groom ofuma, kwashanite. We are even seeing the progress so far. We have seen the progress so far. At least if you have not been successful in this life, are you very careful how you have successfully manipulated old men and women? If you are not seeing that as success, I'm seeing that as success. We have also seen how you have manipulated some Christians into dancing to your tune indirectly, thinking that they are defending their spiritual father or reverend father. We have seen that also. That is also success on your own part. So the only way you will go see how successful Edo is not by you will Ghana, jail for decking. It's also you will be go see any name of man. Because even that for decking, it is not even the best way you can use to measure someone who is successful. Are you getting what I'm saying? So ego na show is show. Cause swallow you obekwe na apele obuputakwe go cause swallow kwe ochokwa ka onyochakwe ofu onye nke mmadu ebua onye atani onye abagana na onye orifte ishokudokwe oputakwa ochokwa ka onye liru agbagonite ochokwa onye oketiti esenite isi etu ka ha yesu we piagido getare on the day you will decide to do what? Vomit their money. You run nowhere. Aaron will go to. The fact is that all these hospitals, you have never really been treated in your hospital where you are the chief medical director. Imagine you being a chief medical director of a hospital. You haven't really been treated there. You want to go? So all these hospitals in Abagari, the same hospital Akudo. The same hospital Akudo. Immaculate Heart Hospital in the Catholic the Sun Hospital with the Anglican Diocese of Nnewi. Ihe mecha ji enu so ka iwe gwa ndị mmadụ na this sickness na defeat is go helpless, therefore you are running from mana aye makwa mana ịgbagaricha ife niile ahụ ịka ya echigata at the comfort of your home vomit ego ndị mmadụ iji ọkara ihe etu a. We are watching, share this video, we are watching. Oh, even gosiro na ife akwụkwọ n'ofufe ya na mathematiko na anụ sinsi ife ọ na-anụ ọdụrọkwa isi o ife ọ na-anụ adịrị izi. Imagine somebody running away from Facebook ebe ọ na-derive joy in mocking and laughing at people. Imagine somebody assuming a position ọ na-eji alaf at ndị mmadụ, taking up that position just to cover up for money well gotten, and trying so hard to spend it or to squander it. Imagine somebody becoming the position, an oppressor, changing to the position of the oppressed just to achieve something. It is not easy. It is a unique talent. So share this video as we watch together. I can propose Ugo.